Welcome to Copying Your Canvas course. In this portion, we'll be discussing the Link Validator. One handy tool that Canvas offers is the Link Validator. If you've ever gotten an email from a student telling you that a link in your course didn't work in the middle of a semester, we all know how valuable the Link Validator could be. To use the Link Validator, choose Settings from the course navigation menu. From the list on the right, click Validate Links and Content. The first time you do this, the button will say Start Link Validation. Later, if you run it again, it will say Restart Link Validation. Based on the number of links in your course, this process can take some time. You can leave and come back. The Link Validator will run in the background. You are given a visual indicator that the Link Validator process is running. Once the Link Validator is complete, you will have a list of the number of broken links found in your course. From here, you can see the specific item, whether it be a discussion, page, assignment, etc., that the link is in, or if a page is linked to something that is unpublished. Within each item, I can go directly to it, examine what the problem is, and I'm told exactly what link is unavailable. For example, I've identified that this click this link does not work. I can verify this by checking it myself and update the link as needed using the edit feature. If there are links to unpublished content in your course, you will have a notification that says so where these links currently say that external links were unreachable. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.